Hello friends, we'll be discussing the concept of equilibrium under monopoly. Now, when we are discussing this concept of equilibrium under monopoly, we need to understand that monopoly is a competition, or rather is a specific kind of market where there is just one owner who produces goods. There is no control on the inputs of the price, and or rather the price of the inputs, and you have to also assure, or rather you have to also make sure that here the price can go down, go up wherever possible. The slopes are negative in shape, and rather the demand curves also may shift the location as and when necessary. Now, when we are speaking about equilibrium under monopoly, we need to understand that the equilibrium conditions under monopoly are the same as the equilibrium conditions in a perfect competition. This is what we have already understood. Now, what are those conditions basically? First, marginal cost should be equal to marginal revenue. We can say that the marginal cost should be equal to marginal revenue. This is the first condition that we have to discuss. Second would be marginal cost should cut the marginal revenue from below. This is the second condition where marginal cost should cut the marginal revenue cost from below. So this is the second condition that we have discussed here. Now, if you have to discuss further on this part, we also understand that these two things, that is the marginal cost and marginal revenue thing, if I have to draw it so that I can make you understand how exactly it is the graph. So if this is the graph, okay, now marginal cost should be equal to marginal revenue. This is what they are saying. So let's take that this is the marginal revenue here. All right, we name it at marginal revenue. Now, if the marginal cost curve is there, it should cut the marginal revenue curve from below, and it should go like this. This is what we are trying to discuss. So this is the equilibrium part. So wherever the interconnection is there, we can say that this part is the interconnected, or rather this is the equilibrium when it comes to monopoly. So at this much price, I can say that this is the quantity that I can send out. So price equivalent to quantity, this is how exactly it can be done for any of the reasons. So this is how exactly you need to get things sorted for yourself. Now, when we're discussing more about equilibrium under monopoly, we'll get to know more of these details in the next topic, which will be about the determinants of these competitions, or rather determinants of this specific market. So that's it for the video. Thank you.